What if I told you that for less than $10,000 you can drive a luxury sedan that feels like it cost $50,000 without living in constant fear of repair bills? Most men believe affordable luxury is a trap. You see a beautiful used BMW or Mercedes at a too-good-to-be-true price, and 6 months later, you're funding your mechanic's vacation. And that fear? It's justified. Because the wrong luxury car under $10K isn't a deal, it's a financial ambush. But here's the truth most people don't talk about. Not all luxury cars age the same. Some were engineered to impress for 3 years. Others were built to quietly last 200,000 miles. Today I'm showing you 5 reliable luxury sedans under $10,000 that deliver real comfort, real presence, and real durability without draining your bank account. These are cars that make you look established, not desperate. Let's get into it. Let's start with a car that looks expensive the second you pull up, the Cadillac CTS. Specifically the 2012 to 2014 models with the 3.6L V6. This is the kind of car that makes people assume you paid way more than you actually did. Sharp body lines, aggressive stance, real presence. It doesn't look like a $9,000 car, and that matters. Under the hood you're getting a naturally aspirated 3.6-liter V6 pushing a little over 300 horsepower. That means strong highway merging, confident passing power, and a driving feel that's closer to European sports sedans than most people expect from an American badge. Now here's where you need to be smart. This engine is solid when maintained, but it does not forgive neglect. Oil changes are everything. Skip them and timing chain wear becomes a real risk. Buy one with documented maintenance and it can run well past 150,000 miles without drama. The 6-speed automatic transmission used in these years is widely shared across GM vehicles, which helps keep repair costs reasonable compared to aging German competitors. You'll want to check suspension components, listen for front-end clunks, and test every electronic feature, because small electrical issues can pop up as these cars age. But here's the key. The problems are usually manageable, not catastrophic. This isn't a ticking financial time bomb if you buy carefully. The sweet spot is a clean 2012-2014 rear-wheel drive model, preferably owned by someone older, with service records. This car is for the guy who wants executive presence, real horsepower, and a luxury badge that still commands respect, without gambling on a European maintenance nightmare. Buy the right one, and the CTS delivers something powerful. It makes you look established, not reckless. Now if the Cadillac is about bold American presence, the next car is about controlled aggression, the Infiniti G37. Look for 2010 to 2012 models, preferably stock and unmodified. This is the sleeper in this list. Under the hood you get the 3.7-liter V6 from Nissan's proven VQ engine family, pushing around 328 horsepower. That's serious performance for something you can buy under $10,000. Rear-wheel drive, strong acceleration, and a chassis that actually wants to be driven. This isn't just luxury, it's energy. And here's why that matters. Most luxury cars in this price range feel soft and detached. The G37 feels alive. Now let's talk reliability, because power means nothing if it drains your wallet. The VQ37 engine has a strong long-term reputation when maintained properly. It uses a timing chain, not a belt, and major catastrophic failures are uncommon in well-kept examples. That said, this is not a car you buy from a 22-year-old who installed aftermarket exhaust and drove it like a track car. You want a mature owner, clean Carfax, no performance mods? Check for oil leaks around valve covers, listen for transmission hesitation, and make sure the cooling system is healthy. Fuel economy isn't amazing, and insurance can run slightly higher because of its performance profile, but maintenance costs are still far more predictable than comparable German sports sedans. The sweet spot is a clean rear-wheel drive sedan with full service history and no tuning. This car is for the man who wants luxury but refuses to drive something boring. It gives you speed, sound, and presence without the constant fear of a $4,000 repair surprise. If you buy smart, the G37 delivers performance luxury confidence at a fraction of what it used to cost. If the Infiniti is about performance energy, the next car is about modern elegance without modern luxury headaches. The Lincoln MKZ, specifically the 2014 to 2016 models with the 3.7-liter V6, this is one of the most underrated luxury sedans in the entire under $10,000 market. The reason? It looks far more expensive than it actually is. Sleek design, signature LED lighting, panoramic roof on many trims, and an interior that feels clean and upscale. Pull up in this and nobody assumes you paid 5 figures under $10,000. Under the hood, the 3.7L V6 produces around 300 horsepower and is part of Ford's Cyclone engine family, which has been used across multiple Ford and Lincoln models with a solid long-term reliability track record. It uses a timing chain, not a belt, and when maintained properly, it's known for durability past 150,000 miles. The advantage here is platform sharing. This car is mechanically related to the Ford Fusion, which means parts availability is strong and repair costs are generally manageable compared to European luxury sedans. Now here's where you need to pay attention. Avoid very high-mileage hybrid versions if your goal is long-term low-risk ownership, and test every electronic feature carefully. Early versions of Lincoln's My Lincoln Touch infotainment system can lag or glitch, and while not catastrophic, it's something you want functioning properly. Also check for proper transmission behavior, smooth shifts, no hesitation. The sweet spot is a well-maintained 2014-2016 V6 model with documented service history and no warning lights hiding on the dash. This car is for the man who wants quiet confidence. It doesn't scream for attention. It simply delivers comfort, technology and upscale styling without draining your savings. In this price range, the MKZ is what smart luxury buying looks like: modern, comfortable, and financially controlled. Now if the Lincoln is quiet confidence, the next car brings precision and long-term discipline. The Acura TL, specifically the 2014 front-wheel drive models with the 3.5-liter V6. This is one of the safest luxury bets under $10,000 if reliability is your top priority. Under the hood you get Honda's respected J-Series V6, producing around 280 horsepower. It's naturally aspirated, timing belt driven, and known for smooth power delivery and long service life when properly maintained. This engine has a reputation for going well past 200,000 miles with routine maintenance, which is exactly what you want in a used luxury sedan. On the road, the TL feels solid and planted. The steering has weight, the chassis feels tight, and the cabin insulation gives you that premium bank vault sensation at highway speeds. Inside, you'll find leather seating, strong sound system options, and build quality that holds up better than many competitors in this price range. Now here's what you need to check. Confirm timing belt service history, because that's a scheduled maintenance item and not something you want to ignore. Also pay attention to transmission behavior, especially on earlier model years. But by 2012-2014, most of the major issues had been refined. Avoid heavily abused AWD versions if your goal is lower long-term maintenance risk. The front-wheel drive models are mechanically simpler and often cheaper to maintain. The sweet spot is a clean, unmodified 2012-2014 FWD example with documented belt service. This car is for the man who wants performance balance, long-term dependability, and Japanese engineering discipline without sacrificing luxury feel. It may not shout for attention, but it quietly proves you made a smart, calculated decision, and that's real status. And if what you really want is comfort, real comfort, the kind that makes long drives feel effortless, then the Buick Lacrosse, specifically the 2014 to 2016 models with the 3.6-liter V6, deserves your attention. This is the quiet professional of the group. It doesn't try to be sporty. It doesn't try to impress with aggression. It focuses on ride quality, cabin isolation, and smooth power delivery. Under the hood, the 3.6L V6 produces just over 300 horsepower, paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. It's strong enough to move this full-size sedan confidently, but tuned for smoothness over drama. On the highway, the Lacrosse feels composed and stable, with a suspension setup that absorbs rough pavement far better than most sport-oriented competitors. Inside, you get soft-touch materials, wide seats designed for comfort, and a cabin that stays impressively quiet at speed. This is a car built for calm authority. Now let's talk reliability. The later 2014-2016 models benefited from updates that improved overall durability compared to earlier years. The 3.6L engine has a generally solid reputation when maintained properly, but as always, oil change history matters. Check for suspension wear, especially if the car has higher mileage, and test the start-stop system to ensure smooth operation. Electronic features should be fully tested, but catastrophic mechanical failures are not common in well-maintained examples. The sweet spot is a 2015 or 2016 V6 model with documented service records and no warning lights. This car is for the mature buyer who values peace over flash, comfort over ego, and long-term ownership confidence over badge obsession. It may not shout status, but it absolutely delivers substance. And in this price range, substance is what protects your wallet. Here's the truth. You don't need $40,000 to drive something that looks and feels successful. You just need to buy smart. Every car on this list proves that real luxury, comfort, power, presence can exist under $10,000 without turning into a financial nightmare. The key isn't the badge, it's the maintenance history, the inspection, and the discipline to choose the right example. Buy carefully, and these sedans won't bankrupt you, they'll reward you. Now tell me, which one would you actually drive? Drop it in the comments. And if you believe luxury should feel good, not stressful, subscribe, because smart ownership is the real status symbol.